Hello, Sean. Welcome to the Christian world. I'm your mommy. I'm so happy to be your mom, Baba. Hello, baby. I want you to grow with love, peace, and faith. I love you, Sean Gray. This is your mommy. I love you, Baba ko.
Welcome to the Christian world, C and Gray. May you be blessed with love and more love from your parents and your lolo and lolas. And welcome to the Christian world again.
Yan. Hello, Shan. Welcome to the Catholic community.
Hi, Sian. This is Tita Cheska. I hope na maging friends kayo ni Taki paglaki niya. And of course, ikaw din, maging katulad ka ni Daddy and Mommy. Super thoughtful, super kind. Kaya, pray ko lang sa'yo is tumiki ka ng tama, mag-aral ng mabuti. Hindi na rin ako makapag-antay na magkaroon ng kalaro si Taki. Kaya, I'm waiting for you to grow up and you will get along with Taki too. Enjoy your day with mommy and daddy. This is Tati Cheska, Tita Cheska. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Hello? Hello?
Walang magsasalita.
It's Ian Gray. Welcome to the Christian world. I hope you grow healthy and strong and fearful of God and also loving to your parents. See you when you grow up.
Hi, Sean. I love you. That
Ay, hello Sian. Happy Christening Day. Yan, yun lang. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ian Gray. Welcome to Christian world.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Ayan, Tita si Ann. Okay, say something for baby si Ann.
Oh, hi.
Yes. Kayo na. Ayan, nakababa.
Ay, Hi, CNJ. Thank you for inviting us. May you have grow faith in God and continue to love your parents and God. Bye.
Hi. Hi, Shandre. Welcome to Christian World. Sana lumaki kang maka-Diyos at gayahin mo si mommy and daddy mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Your tita sexy. At ninang pala. Thank you, ma. Ayan na, baby.
Young Gray. You look so cute always. Bye.
Hey, baby.
Hi, hello Sherwin. Thank you for inviting us here. God bless sa family and stay healthy kay Sean Grace. Looking forward ulit sa next event. Birthday, probably. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Hello, thank you for inviting me and hope na madami pang days, years to come and sana na mabless ka ni God. Thank you.
Okay. Hi, Sian. Happy Christening.
Hello, Sian. This is Ninang Kat. I hope na pag narinig mo to, kilala mo pa rin ako. So, I wish you all the best kay Mami at kay Daddy. Sana magkita kita every year or mas madalas. See you. Bye.
Hello. Para kanina ba? Kila Grace? Oo, Grace. Sherwin, congratulations. Sa mga sa inaanak ko, sana maging kagising gwapo ka ni Ninong, okay? Congratulations. Bye-bye.
Hello, Shan. Welcome to the Christian world. Be a good boy. Yan lang.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ayan, start na po.
Ay, akala ko naman picture.
Video po.
Hello, Sian. Ano nga daw? Happy christening. Be a good boy. Ikaw na, para dalawa na tayo as one.
Hello, Sian. Happy christening. Hope you grow up to be a good boy and make your mom and dad proud. Congrats and welcome to the Christian world. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. Ayan na. Start na.
1, 2, 3, go. Welcome to the Christian world, baby Sian. We love you.
Hello, baby Shen. Happy christening. God bless you.
Thank you.
Say,
Something.
welcome to the, hello, baby Shan. Welcome to the Christian world. Right. Hello, baby Shan. Congratulations. Welcome to the Christian world.
Hello, baby Sean. Welcome to the Christian world.
God bless.
God bless.
God bless. Yay!
Hello, Sian.
Lapit niyo po to sa bibig.
Hello, Sian. Congratulations. God bless you.
Ayan na po.
Hello, Sengre. Happy christening. Senje, hindi nakatingin. Hello. Senje. Ayun, hindi nakita yung lolo. Senje, happy christening. I love you. I love you, lolo.
Kayo, the-record nyo lang po. Ayan na po, starting na siya. Mag-record lang po kayo na.
Hello, Jen.
Share. Para kita kayo sa
Dali ka dito, dali.
Lapit niyo po.
Happy
Lapit niyo po sa bibig.
birthday. Birthday yun sa akin, ha? Yan. Tingin mo, tingin. Hello na.
Thank you,
Hello. Ikaw naman, hawak naman.
Kayo po.
are looking forward to see you again.